guys, welcome back to my channel Born Home Tips, and today's video is going to be product review video. And yeah, today we are going to review Mamaearth Bringa Amla hair mask, and it is new launch from Mamaearth. So we are going to review this product today, and I'm going to tell you each and everything related to this product and my experience with this product, everything. So let's get to the video. So it's been a 1 month they have launched this product, and I have got this product from them. And yeah, I have reviewing this product from 1 month, so it's been 5 or 6 times I have applied this, and I have tested it on my hair. And you can see this shine on my hair, and this silkiness, and this soft and lightweight hair. It is so amazing. And yeah, that is what this mask does to my hair, and it is absolutely amazing. So who can use this mask, and which type of hair are suitable to apply this mask? To know this all these things, you have to watch this video till the end. I'm going to tell you each and everything you wanted to know about this mask. So let's just start with its packaging. So it comes with this packaging, white and green colors, which are so good and so positive. And I don't know, these two colors give so much positive vibes and goodness and purity, blah blah. So yeah, it is like thumbs up for packaging. And let's talk about net content. Okay, so net weight is 200 gram, and for rupees 599 you will get this mask. So that is very good, I can say it's a deal. And yeah, its manufacturing date is June 2020 and best before May 2022, which means we can say shelf life is 2 years. Okay, so that's that. And let me tell you guys, it is plastic positive, means all Mamaearth products are plastic positive, which means that we can they actually recycle more plastic than they produce. So that is amazing for me, because we are fixing so much environmental problems. And again, Mamaearth products are silicone free, paraben free, they are cruelty free. I think they have manufacturing company in Nasik in Maharashtra. So yeah, it is made in India. On one side of this cubic, they have mentioned how to use it, direction of for use, then tips for healthy hair, and who is suitable for. So let me tell you, it is unisex product. We men and women of all ages can use this product. It's suitable for dry, damaged, colored, chemically treated hair, just like me. I do so much experiment on my hair, so this is like, oh my god, it's so amazing. And it suits all hair type including curly hair. Okay, that is the plus point, because you know there's so many products in the market who have masks for straight hair as well as curly hairs, but nothing works as good as on curly hair like me. This mask has worked so well for me, because it actually gives me so much lightweightness, and I know lightweightness is word. So as they have claimed that it is suitable for all hair types, so I asked my mom to use this product, and she has used it 2-3 times. Her hair type is silky, smooth and amazing, and my hair type is different. I have frizzy hairs, curly hair, and this hair get so much messy after 2-3 days. And my experience with my hair, you don't ask, they get very messy after 2-3 days, and I'm just like, oh, I can't handle you guys. So I needed some mask for my hair, which actually makes my hair go lightweight and then silky. I can just literally play with them without applying any serum or any conditioner while after washing. And I got this mask, and I said, oh my god, it is literally for me. So yes guys, if you have curly hair, then this mask is good for you, because actually it is amazing for your hair. And I don't think there any difference in my mom's hair, because she has silky hair already, so there is no as such effect of this mask on her, I can see. But yeah, if you have another problem, like I had really bad problem with my hair. So actually my hair has some major issue with itching. So this place and this area of my hair actually gets so much itchy within 2-3 days of washing hair. After 2-3 days, it doesn't really solve my problem for forever. And this mask actually I'm seeing it is actually working on this problem. And I'm not saying that in one go it has acted positively and I saw some positive results, and I saw some results after 2-3 wash, and yeah, I loved it. Talking about key ingredients, they have two main key ingredients, that is Bhringraj and Amla, which are so much essential for our hair. And I don't think I want to talk about it because I wanted to tell you guys about my experience, and that is what important for me to tell you, because I think that is the important thing about this review thing. And yeah, because everyone knows about Bhringraj and Amla. If you don't know, then I will mention in the description what Bhringraj and Amla actually does to your hair and why they are so much effective and essential for your hair. So I'll mention that all things in the description below. And yeah, let's talk about its texture. It is so creamy and it smells like, oh my god, its color. Let's talk about its color. It's so amazing. I love this color. This is pista in color and I love pista. Everything in pista, I love it. So let's not talk about it. So this is its color. It's so creamy and it is amazing. So I wanted to add one thing about this mask is that when you take it on your hands like this and when you rub it, it is like you have taken soap in your hand and it actually creates some foam in while washing it. How can I show you? Wait a minute, I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm back. So you can see this is its texture. I have added some water and this is how it looks. So direction of applying this is like that. You have to first of all wet your hair and after that you have to apply it. So after applying it on your hair, it looks like this. Can you see actually? So while washing it off, it actually creates foam, like you have applied some shampoo which creates foam at the end like that. And it's a smell, it's like Sona soap or mint like smell it has. It is so much refreshing, and when you apply it on your hair, it actually gives you cooling effect. I felt so much happy and something cool, and I can say that this is more preferably you can use in summer when you feel very hot and you feel sweaty in your hair, and at that time only you feel like, oh, I have some itching in my hair. And I think at that time this mask will just blow your mind and it will work so amazing on your hair, because my hair is actually like that in every season. So I love this mask totally because it is actually giving me good results, and I'm going to keep on using it every season. So let me just wash my hands please, and after that I will record. So I think that is that. And what else? Today only I washed my hair. After applying this hair mask, I just use my regular shampoo to wash it off, and I haven't used any conditioner from long time. And I don't think after applying this mask you need a different conditioner to make it like silky and glowy hair. So this mask works actually in that way more effectively. It will give you good silky effect and silkiness to your hair and fluffiness also. So yeah, that is amazing. I will show you difference in my before and after hair in thumbnail only, because you know after 2-3 days my hair is going to get so messy. I'm so sure about it, but this mask is actually working so good. I hope in future it will I think in some days I'm so sure about it that this mask is going to kill that all problems, and I'm going to be so much problem free about hair. And yeah, okay, so let's just end this video by telling you my recommendation to you guys who can use this and you who cannot use this product. So I'll say that if you have curly hair like me or more curly than me, then you must use this product. You will see result in some days when you will be regular. If you are not regular with this product, then I don't think you may not see those results, good results. So you must be regular with your product. After that only you can see results, and that is what funda about using any product. And if you have hair like my mom, silky, smooth and straight, then you may not see that difference. But yes, if you have problem like me, you have itching in your hair, then you just go for this mask. It works so amazing. Actually it is working on my hair, and I can see that after some time, means after 2-3 months, it will work like hell on my hair, and I will be, this problem has solved. Yes. And yeah, I love this mask because it is actually working good on my hair, and I'm seeing quite good results within 1 month. And that's that, guys. I hope you really enjoy watching this video, and this review is quite helpful for you guys. So please, if you feel and if you think like that, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and press that little bell icon nearby, so that whenever I upload new video, you will get notification and you will never miss my video. So thumbs up, guys. Keep loving me. Love you already, and bye bye. See you in the next video.